Imagine sitting cross-legged in a sub-zero mountain gale. Normally, your body would start shutting down, but instead, you are actually steaming. By using a specific breathing rhythm, people can generate enough internal heat to dry, soaking wet sheets draped over their bare shoulders. It's like turning your ribs into a radiator to override your survival instincts. How can a simple mental focus physically crank your internal thermostat to high? This is G2MO.
The data tells a different story. Freezing your skin off is less of a focus hack and more of a 5-alarm fire. It's like redlining your engine just to pull out of the driveway. That 850% adrenaline spike leaves your stress hormones hovering in a plateau long after you thaw out. This cold plunge burnout is actually unnecessary trauma. But wait until